Make sure it lays as flat as possible because my hair don't like to obey me. Throw your hands in there if your hair got a mind of its own.
This the way that we rock. I'm from the bottom, so I aim for the top. And you crazy in the mind if you think I'ma stop. And I'm young, black, and living, still dreaming a lot.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, what's up? As you can see, I'm looking raggedy as ever. I'm about to follow a Jae Majette tutorial on how she does her slick back. I know how I do my slick backs, but I was gonna try somebody else's and see how it works. So, you know, let's get into that video. Do I know what I'm doing? I never screen record. How do I know it's recording? Is this telling me it's recording? Okay, so it did work.
So guys, I'm just starting off with, this is washed hair. I co-washed it this morning, so there's no product in it. And yeah, I didn't put anything in it. I just let it air dry, and this is what I got. So that had to be perfect. What I really want to focus on is getting this part as flat as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with some water.
Hold on, girl, you're moving too fast. Now give me a second. My hair is thick.
Take some of my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie.
I don't have that, but I do. Let me grab curling.
I have two different brushes. I have
Okay, so I'm gonna use Elastic QP because I don't have the one she's using.
Now I'm gonna take my green ink solid gel.
Hold on. Moving too quick for me. Do I have my dimming brush? I don't have my dimming brush. I got my wig brush though. So far she's pretty much doing everything I would normally do, especially the splitting my hair into half like this. I wonder if she's gonna have anything different from what I already do since we have different hair textures. Oh, she chose the whole thing at once. I didn't split the back into two. I'm gonna follow it like she did it. I'm gonna stay true. I'm behind.
So this section, we're going to split this in half.
Hold on, girl. You moving just a little too quick for me. It's always hard for me to find my middle part because I have a slight widow's peak, and I always want to make I always want to make my part start right there. Okay.
I have a clip at my workstation, so you want to spray this part down with water.
Get away from my laptop. This thing was expensive.
Okay, you just smooth it down into the other section.
Will you stay? Will it stay or will it not?
Okay.
Oh, whoa.
Brush that.
Hold on. Is anybody else like me? Like, your hair just don't like to obey you? My sisters will be like, oh yeah, you know, I just left my scarf on for the car ride to work or to school or something. Then I took it off and my hair was just silky and flat. Me, I will leave my scarf on for a whole day and I will still have some type of frizz going on. Oh, she does 3 ponytails.
Now you repeat on this side.
Let me grab another ponytail here. It was under my bandana the whole time. Make sure it lays as flat as possible because my hair don't like to obey me. Throw your hands in there if your hair got a mind of its own. Okay, girl. Okay.
So I end up putting 4 hair ties on there.
This is what happens when you don't detangle and you wash your hair in braids. Don't be like me.
I'm going to take these 2 up here and pull these out so this flattens down over here.
Never lays down. Hold on real quick. I kid you not, y'all. It takes so much gel for me to get my hair to lay flat. Like, my hair is pretty much sealed in gel right now. And it's still only like semi-laying down. I still got frizz at the top. All right, let's go, Jay. Let's go, girl.
Uh-oh. Move the curly hands smoothie. Just put that all throughout there. And then take some Eco Styler gel. Put that all throughout there too. Okay. So now it's a little bit juicy, not a lot of juicy. You don't need a whole lot of juice anyway.
Whatever.
I just take it, fold it kind of like back on itself.
Oh, she does like a whole bun. Not a slick back puff.
Now time for these edges. I'll bring y'all in a little close.
Oh, crap.
Disposable toothbrush.
Wait. I'm gonna end up taking this bun out. I already know. This is a good idea though for a protective style. See, it's already. Everything's just grown.
Alright, now just like that, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my baby hair. Being careful not to pull out any like long hairs. Just pull them out. figures out. I'm going to take a little bit of Eco Styler gel.
Ooh.
A lot of it. All over my forehead. Alright.
She got more baby hair than I do. And I got some strong edges, so I'm just trying to make something pop right now. Can I? No, I can't. I don't know how I feel about baby hair on me.
Now let me take a beauty blender to this forehead. And
hold on, girl, don't leave me.
And I'll be all done.
I just, same here. I cannot get these edges together to do some baby hair. I thought I could. I thought I could make something pop. But, you know what? I just don't think it's for me. It looks weird. It ain't what God wanted for me. This looks off-centered. Oh, okay. How do I make this not look so... Cause y'all see my little widow's peak right here? Like, this is throwing all of this off. If it wouldn't grow back, I'd shave it off. I'm gonna switch this to the side part. My hair is going to flake up so bad after this. See, look at that. My hair knew it wanted to be to the side. It knew what it was. This is the only time it's laid without me doing much to it. It knew it wanted to be a side part. That's funny. And see, now I can do a little baby hair or something right here, okay? This is my one spot with baby hair. It still ain't even a lot. But I can finesse a little something. Alright, so we already did that. We already got like the top laid, which is possible. Alright. I'm gonna try to turn around and let y'all watch me do this at the same time.
So now for the bun. I mean, you look like this, but I think that the bun just looks a lot sleeker. So I'm just gonna straight ponytail.
Oops, I got ahead of her. Let me speed up. Well, y'all saw it. Okay. The back is trash though. Like, I'm not one that can just be like, all right, I put some Jello on, my hair is laid. My hair gonna pop up till I put something on it. So I really don't have baby hair like her. So I'm gonna just take what I got and smooth it. It's literally just this one spot.
Now let me take a beauty blender to this forehead and then I'll be all done.
Oh. The end. Well, alright. Okay, I'm gonna take a long sock and lay my edges down because I ain't got that type of hair that you can just, what's the word I'm looking for? You can just kind of like gel and go. I'm out of focus. Okay, so this is the final result of me following Jae Majette's slick back tutorial. Obviously, I went against the grain and did my little side part or whatever. But yeah, this is the final result of my little widow's peak. I like how she does hers, but at the same time, like, I don't know how sis does it without a scarf. I need a scarf, as you can see, and my hair, like, it's still frizzing. Like, I wanted to finish this all in one day for you guys, but at the end of the day, I needed to sleep with this scarf overnight. Like, this is not what's popping. I mean, the frizz is popping, but, like, I needed to slip. And that's what it's not doing. But anyways, outside of that, like, there's nothing wrong with her tutorial. It's me, okay? But this is the final result. You know, it is what it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss no uploads from your fave. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.